Okay, nice to see you again, my viewers, my subscribers, and all my beloved listeners. Join again in Mr. Olowan's channel. Before we start learning, let's make a spirit. It is very good you have a big enthusiasm for learning. Make your own powerful words. Today, I want to learn something new. Today, this is a great day for me to study. Let's say that. Okay, thank you. In this moment, let's talk about report text. Or you can say information report or factual report. This is a kind of text that specially has a specific function in our life. So let's see description. What is the meaning of this text? This text is a text that explains and elaborates some factual information. In Indonesia you can say sebuah teks yang menjelaskan dan menguraikan beberapa informasi yang faktual. Relate to particular objects yang berkaitan dengan objek-objek khusus. Matter or things, hal-hal atau benda-benda which are based on factual accuracies, yang berdasar pada akurasi atau ketepatan yang faktual, and scientific and observatory. It means dia bersifat ilmiah dan berdasarkan hasil pengamatan. That's the description. So you can say in a short form, report text is a text that explains some factual information about many things. Let's see what is the purpose or the social function of this text. First, to present information about something. Indonesia you can say untuk mempresentasikan informasi tentang sesuatu. The second, to obtain and share information about things, animals, natural phenomena, and social phenomena. In Indonesia you can say untuk mendapatkan dan membagi informasi mengenai hal-hal, benda-benda, apakah itu binatang, fenomena-fenomena alam, dan fenomena sosial. That's the purpose of this text. So, in briefly, you can say the purpose of this text to present and to share factual information about many things. So, let's see. In order to get the general, okay, this is also the purpose, in order to get general knowledge. Indonesia you can say bertujuan mendapatkan pengetahuan yang benar secara umum about the things, tentang benda-benda tadi, tentang sesuatu hal tadi, atau mengenai berbagai hal. Itu tujuan. And then they generally, teks ini umumnya describe an entire class of things, whether natural or made. Teks ini umumnya menggambarkan sesuatu golongan atau kelas secara menyeluruh dari benda-benda, apakah mereka alamiah atau buatan. So, let's see next. Generic structure. How about the generic structure of this report text? First, general classification. Struktur pertama, you can say Indonesia adalah klasifikasi umum. Di dalam klasifikasi umum ini, nanti di dalam teks, kita bisa lihat yang berisi informasi umum atau pengetahuan umum. You can say in English, general information or knowledge or definition about things. It means the main idea about class, species of the things. And the second generic structure is description. In Indonesia you can say description, penjelasan yang lebih rinci. That's why detailed facts or detailed information. You will see this structure in the text of report or report text. Let's see the language features. In Indonesia, you can say ciri-ciri kebahasaan. The first, use simple present tense. Its function to state a generalization. In Indonesia, you can say, kenapa dia menggunakan bentuk kalimat simple present? Karena dia akan menyatakan teks seperti ini, teks report teks ini banyak menyatakan generalisasi atau kebenaran-kebenaran umum, sehingga akan berlaku sampai kapanpun. The second, use general nouns. Dia akan, in Indonesia can say, menggunakan kata-kata benda umum. And the third, use action verbs. Menggunakan kata-kata kerja umum. Its function to show the action and behavior. In Indonesia you can say, kenapa menggunakan kata kerja umum, kata kerja aksi ini adalah untuk menunjukkan aksi dan perilaku sesuatu itu yang dijelaskan di dalam teks report itu. And then use declarative and interrogative sentences and passive voices. In Indonesia you can say report text menggunakan banyak kalimat-kalimat pernyataan deklaratif dan kadang-kadang interrogatif bertanya, dan paling banyak bentuk kalimat pasif, passive voices. And next we will see in this text also the singular and plural nouns with or without a, they, these, those, my, their, etc. We will see clearly in this example of the text for the next. Let's see example of text about living object and its analysis. Mari kita melihat contoh teks. Teks ini mengenai objek atau benda hidup, dan kita akan melakukan analisa. Analysis based on two things. The first, based on the fact stated on the text. In Indonesia you can say, berdasarkan fakta-fakta yang tercatat atau dinyatakan dalam teks. And the second analysis based on the generic structure and language feature. In Indonesia, I can say to you, berdasarkan struktur umumnya dan ciri-ciri kebahasaan jenis teks report ini. So next, let's see the text or report text about buffalo. Oke, jangan lupa, jangan ditutup video, tonton terus supaya penjelasan saya semakin dipahami, semakin lengkap. Buffaloes are big, strong, dark-colored mammals with huge horns. Kerbau-kerbau itu besar, kuat, mamalia berwarna gelap dengan tanduk yang besar, sangat besar. huge. African buffaloes live in herds of several hundred, usually near water. Kerbau-kerbau Afrika hidup di dalam kumpulan, gerombolan, beberapa ratus, biasanya dekat air, near water. As they love to wallow in mud, karena mereka senang berkubang di lumpur. African buffaloes have very bad tempers. Rupanya kerbau-kerbau Afrika memiliki sikap sangat buruk. Very bad tempers. So, maka humans have never managed to tame them. Maka manusia tidak pernah mengatur untuk memelihara mereka karena bad tempersnya. Water buffaloes are found in the wetter areas of Asia. Kerbau air ditemukan, are found, di daerah lebih basah lembab, area Asia. Few are found in the wild now, and they are mostly kept as farm animals. Beberapa ditemukan liar sekarang, dan mereka pada umumnya kebanyakan dipelihara sebagai binatang-binatang peliharaan ternak. Water buffaloes have been domesticated for 3,000 years. Kerbau-kerbau air ini telah dijinakkan, have been domesticated, dijinakkan selama 3.000 tahun. They are used to pull carts and plows, but they can be kept for their meat, milk, and hides. Mereka digunakan menarik gerobak-gerobak pedati dan bajak-bajak. Tetapi mereka bisa dipelihara untuk daging mereka, for their meat, for their milk, untuk susu mereka, and for their hides, untuk kulit mereka. Only a few survive, hanya sedikit yang bertahan hidup in the wild in Asia, di hutan liar di Asia. But buffaloes are released to run free in the swamps of the Northern Territory of Australia. Katanya di sini, tetapi kerbau-kerbau jenis water buffalo ini dilepaskan berlari bebas di rawa-rawa di daerah utara Australia. Sumber teks ini adapted from The Little Animal Encyclopedia 2001, page 26.